we just found in this space, it just sucked the life out of us. So I wanted some colour and yeah. G'day, I'm Aussie Tobes, and today we are going to talk about what colour your kitchen should be. Right now I'm standing in my kitchen, and to be honest with you, you need to have a kitchen that's your cup of tea. Now, a lot of the kitchens you see at the moment on most of the renovation shows are going to be white, grey, beige, brown, those sorts of colours, and there's nothing wrong with that. But if you want to do something to your kitchen to spruce it up a bit, to make it a little bit different, my suggestion is, rather than changing the tiles or rather than just changing the cupboards, if you want to save a bit of money, it's just painting the walls a different colour. The colour I've got behind me it's a half-strength Bollywood Jade by British Paints. Basically a turquoise. We wanted to have all these bright colours in our house when we first moved in here. This house was all just grey and white, and don't get me wrong, grey is a wonderful colour and I can see why people love the colour grey. We just found in this space, it just sucked the life out of us. I wanted some colour and yeah, we decided on this half-strength Bollywood Jade. I can't complain. The turquoise green kitchen is a really, really good idea. And it's a more affordable way of, renovating a space without spending too much money. And the other thing that was also a bit of surprise, with the new paint technology, there's no mold, there's no damp. Once upon a time, it was very difficult to put certain colours into certain spaces, but now you can be a bit more creative. I would thoroughly recommend people to go and try what we've done, get a colour that you like and just have a go. You can always just use a sample pot. Depending on your jurisdiction, sample pots can cost you as little as $2 up to about $12. I know that sounds a bit expensive in some people's jurisdictions, but that's just the reality. I think our sample pot that we used probably cost us about $6, and maybe that price has gone up to about $9 now. But $9 for a sample pot goes a long way, and I thoroughly recommend it. If you like my content, please like and subscribe. And you know what? I look forward to seeing you next time. I dare you to challenge yourself and put a different paint colour in somewhere in your house. Please try it. I think it's a really good idea, and I think you'll actually enjoy your space much more. I look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks.